Hello everyone, how are you? I look like a hot mess because I just came home from cleaning. I clean houses during the week. If you didn't know that, I call it my side hustle. But I also did a quick, looking out the window to see if anybody's coming, a Dollar Tree haul. And I am friggin' obsessed with Dollar Tree lately. And I know I'm probably late to that bandwagon, but yeah, I'm obsessed. And some of the cleaning products I am able to get there amaze me. On top of the fact that I bring my own like little, it's like a, not really a tote, but one of those laundry baskets that, you know, you can clasp it together and hold it like that down the stairs. I have a mini one that I bring with me to all my cleaning jobs, just in case they don't have products, if they run out of products while I'm there, just, you know, and you just never know, you might need something more than just your hand and a sponge or a rag, right? So I am also doing a couple of jobs that are new, and one of them is like empty apartments, and I don't know what's going to be in there, what they're going to have for cleaning stuff. So I'm making the assumption they're not going to have anything. So I stocked up at stuff from the Dollar Tree, and man, one thing I left in my car though, and it is just a cheap $1 mop, one that I'm going to have to hand squeeze with. And I only brought that because it's a one-time use, honestly, because I'm not going to use a mop on one person's house and then bring it to another. It's just for this apartment I'm doing tomorrow, because I don't know if they're going to have anything there. Behind me is the mess of my other cleaning products. But anyway, here we go. One thing I got and I love is the LA's Totally Awesome. I bought it in what I would call the refill size, where the cap is coming off. The refill size, and I bought it in the, squeezy bottle. You know, this stuff is awesome. It works. And if you're new to it, on the back, it even lists like what kind of a job you're trying to do, how many parts water and how many parts product. Awesome. Love, love, love. Can't believe I just got both of these $1 each. I got the brand's called the Home Store, but it's foaming action glass and surface cleaner. It works amazeballs. If you follow the instructions, it works. I've had excellent, what's the word? I am sweating. I am sorry. It's like 80 something degrees outside, and the air conditioning in here is not turned on. The upstairs is. I just, whatever. So I'm sweating. And I was running around and I'm panicking trying to make this video quickly before I have an audience. This stuff works. Okay? Follow the instructions. It works. It's $1. And I've used more expensive cleaners. That stuff works just as well, if not better. To do floors, I bought 2 different ones. Got me a little thing of Pine Sol. I love Pine Sol. Pine Sol is like the universal cleaner, in my opinion. I use it. You can use it on wood floors, tile floors, linoleum, any real surface. I've cleaned bathrooms out with it because there was no other products to use at the time. I just love it, and it smells good. Who doesn't like Pine Sol? You know what I'm saying? And also because I love the smell of it. It works fine, but it is fabuloso in the lavender scent. I love this, but this was $1. This is $1. Come on. Fabulous. And we don't have a dishwasher here, and I'm running out of dish soap, so I got me a little Dawn dish soap. Not to mention, I do keep one of these in my little basket that I bring to my cleaning jobs, because you just never know. Okay, there's those. I also bought a Mr. Clean, what do you call it? Magic eraser. I cut mine in half though, so you get 2. I bought some extra rags. I have a bunch of these already, these microfiber and these cotton multi-purpose cleaning cloths. I just like to stock up on them, especially since oh Lord. Really? Okay. I like to store. I like to have stock. I also always keep on hand gloves, size large hands. Notice how I had to turn around and show you the nail painted side. So yeah, I always have rubber gloves because I'm not cleaning bathrooms without gloves on, and I'm not touching water without gloves on, unless of course I'm showering or washing my hands. That's different. But no, okay, there you go. So I have those, and I have some from Walmart and stuff too, but I'm like $1. Those are good. I've used them before. I also purchased, now these are things that you would think I would already have in my little container that I bring along with me, but I don't. And I don't know why, because there are plenty of times that I wished I had these with me. And one of them is a paint scraper, but it's not to paint. It's not really to scrape paint. It's to when something is not coming off the floors and the showers or whatever. It's just not coming off, and you're not gonna. There's no danger of you scratching anything. I just have wanted one of these just to go to get it off. So there you go. Got one of them for $1. And I also purchased a wire brush set. This was in the automotive section, but listen, man. When you get a nasty bathroom and they got a lot of buildup of gunk that ain't coming off, I love these. Toothbrushes do not always work. Sometimes you need a little extra power, okay? These work. So I got another little thingy of those. And if you've ever broken anything while cleaning somebody else's house, you need to tell them that you broke it. But sometimes you break something and maybe you can fix it, but you still gotta tell them. You need super glue. I've been in that situation. More times than I want to admit to. And this, I don't know why I put this down here, because this is meant to go upstairs in my own supply of things, but just a packet of all different size tweezers. It's because I mainly wanted that one. It's for my nails. Nail projects. And this is just to have on hand. I am going to put it in my cleaning thing, but you just never know. And it's like those little markers that are meant to color in furniture if there's a chip in the furniture. I would never fill in someone's furniture without their permission, but if I see something that I know could easily be fixed, I would ask them, and then I've done it before. And plus, I like having them for my own purposes. And so, yes, that is all from the... Oh, one more thing. Hold on. I wanted to show you this. I did not buy it in this haul, but I bought it in the last group of things I bought. It is just your basic squeegee, okay, from the Dollar Tree. It works phenomenal, okay? I love it. It makes washing windows and mirrors, especially large mirrors, so much easier, because I have a problem when washing mirrors. Like, I don't like to use paper towels because they leave lint trails. And when you use, like, microfiber things or whatever, there'll still be, like, random lint pieces that will drive me crazy, and I can't just walk away. If I see a piece of lint stuck on the mirror, I can't, okay? I can't have it. No lint. No lint. Okay? Fabulous. But keep a rag with you, so when you bring it down, you can catch the product, in case you've never used one. Okay, so the scenery is going to change because I'm going to go upstairs and show you the last few items that I did buy that I'm keeping for myself in my house. Okay? So, see you in a few minutes. One more item I wanted to show you really quick that I buy from the Dollar Tree, because I've never seen it anywhere else in this container that I'm about to show you. I've only seen it in the spray bottle at other places. Spray is in like the metal can. Aerosol. This is my favorite bathroom shower cleaner of all time. This is not a cleaner that I would just toss on the wall and walk away, because if you've got a lot of stuff built up, it's gonna leave the streaks. It's better to apply on a sponge and put on directly. See what I'm saying? But it is amazing, and it gets through everything. Okay, it is my favorite, and it's the works in this bottle. So it's got a little squeezy thing on top. Yeah, it's got a little. See, best bathroom cleaner ever. Like I said, do not go and spray that on your bathroom wall and walk away, because it's going to eat through whatever you had. Not eat through your wall, but eat through your stuff, the gunk, and leave a bad streak, which will make it difficult. You're going to have a lot of arm action. The point is to put it on the sponge and do it that way, and that way it'll get it all at the same time, okay? And it's fabulous. But at the Dollar Tree, man, $1. So I always stock up with these. I keep these in my cleaning container that I bring everywhere, and I keep some here for myself. Okay, right back. Okay, I told you it might be a different background by the time you see the rest of my haul, so let me do that really quick. What is this? What is that? Okay. So yeah, this just pops up. It's like it's just a feather duster. Just to, if you want to lightly dust stuff. I got that in my room for $1. Let's see. Some thick and strong toilet paper. Their version of a feather duster, I know it's a feather duster, but I'm trying to, what's that? Swiffer. It's like a Swiffer. But, you know, the generic for it's $1. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you just don't want to break out that pledge. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just don't feel like it. You just want to go boop boop. That's what this is for, some boop boops. Okay? $1. Then I bought some Goo Gone. Because I haven't had this in a long time. And I'm not even going to lie to you. I kind of forgot that they made this. And I can't tell you how many times I've had a sticky situation that I needed to get rid of. And I wish I had this. So, yeah, I got that. $1. What else? What else? Some cheapy dog treats. Some, like, gel ballpoint pens. These are going to be for work. They provide pens at work, but I get bored and I want colors. Because I like purple and I like pink. And I bought these because I can't tell you how many times I've had some. I think I already told you this downstairs. Just this little flying hair is driving me crazy. When I showed you downstairs, when I was downstairs doing one part of my haul, I showed you one of the little scrapers for cleaning jobs or to scrape paint. You just never know. You know what I mean? I think when I was downstairs, I'm like, you know, it's not for scraping paint. It can be if you want it to be, but I can't tell you how many times I wish I'd had the tool to go get some. So I actually bought 2 of those. So the one you saw was downstairs. This is the other one. This one I'm keeping for myself. The one I showed you, I think I told you, because I didn't rewatch the video. I'm just recording it, okay? That one is to go in my cleaning thing. My cleaning box thing that I take with me everywhere I go. But I bought a big one too. But these are going to be for my own personal things at home. And is that it? Yep, that's it. That's the rest. I mean, the end of my Dollar Tree haul. And like I said, I'm freaking obsessed with them. And yeah, now I am recording this like the day after that you saw me downstairs. So it's all one video, but just so you know, it's actually 2 separate days. And what I wanted to tell you is, oh my God, that LA's blah, 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 the stuff in the yellow bottle, that of course I can't think of the name of it, but you just saw me showing it to you that I bought the refill bottle and the spray. I told you I loved it. But let me just tell you, I had to do a really big cleaning job today. And I'm just going to give you like an example of why. Okay, they had some stains that was not coming off with super hot water and Pine Sol. It did not come off with, I used a little dish soap. Because I had forgotten that I brought that LA's Finest with me. I think, is that LA's Finest? Oh God, LA's something, that yellow stuff, okay? I used so I was using whatever this customer had in their house, and it was another like Top Job or 409, okay, on this nastiest nothing stain. Would get the stain out, right? And then I just happened to like glance over to the side, and I see my Ellie's Finest. Is it Ellie's Finest? Oh my God, it's terrible. Ellie's shit. And I saw that I had, I'm like, oh yes. So I took it, boop boop, sprayed it on, went and did another task for like a few moments. Came back and it just wiped right off. I don't think I've ever seen this stuff in a regular store. I could be wrong. Please don't quote me on that. It is a video on YouTube of someone else's cleaning products that they bought at the Dollar Tree. Like their whole video was centered on cleaning stuff from the Dollar Tree. It is there that I was introduced to that product. So I immediately had gone to there, bought it, I've used it, and what you see in this video is my repurchase of it, right? So if it's sold in other stores, great. If it is, get it, because it works, okay? It is my savior when I can't get a nasty stain out of something. That stuff works. I'm freaking impressed. So that huge supply of it was $1, right? $2, because I bought 2 things. Good stuff. Okay, I gotta go. This video is going to be 100 years long. And I'm really trying to make videos that are not over, well, the goal is 10, but you know I can't do 10 minutes, so 15. I'm trying. So I'll see y'all soon. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you hit subscribe and come back and visit me? Please.